Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad ke Sangma Hagasni thoding ka arpu praterik unai wing arja apusan ulapen bena baon pelat ia ka baha ka Bynta lani ka installment ka baar Jong ka baibam lani ka post matric scholarship Lashai kasngi ka arpu khandai terik unai wing arja apusan Shaki Samla Pule. Shu ulapen bena bakan shimpor kumba ar nilai sngi bakani kapisa akan pau haki bank account Jong ki Samla Pule. Uloong bakani ka scholarship kabajan kot shaka shispa lai phok lurtingka ansam shapalat ki hinyo pho hajar ngut ki Samla Pule. Uloong ba kumbala kular shabaro ba on shimkhya ban pentikna ba ya kapisa scholarship on penlat hashwa ka Christmas mintausnem.
Hi friends, I just wanted to give you the good news. Tomorrow, 29th of November, I will be releasing the second installment of the post-matric scholarship. After that, it will take 2 to maximum 3 working days for it to reflect in the student's account. But as promised to all of you, that this year I will take special care and ensure that your scholarship amount is released before Christmas. And hence, I'm doing that, and I'm sure that this will help our student community to a large and a great extent. I wish you all the very best for your future. May God bless each and every one of you. Thank you.